Okay guys, Team Old Blue, and today we're back at the junkyard picking up the wiring harness for Blackjack. And we got the hood off. The harness is in the back of Old Blue. Here's the harness in the bed of Old Blue. Okay, we're back in the Lockport junkyard, and today here's a better view of those vehicles in the yard. We had no bees today, so we lucked out. Right then?
Yeah, that was nice without bees.
So this is it for Team Old Blue coming out here. Maybe we'll make another trip out here, but for now,